Morning everyone, myself Priya from first year, and in today's session we will cover programming languages and generations of programming languages. So programming language is a set of instructions or a codes which is written to create a program to tell the computer what to do, how to do and when to do it. The process of transmitting and writing the instruction is called programming. The person who writes them is a programmer. So Ada Lovelace is a first computer programmer in 1843. So programming languages are further divided into 5 categories. First generations of languages. So first generation of a languages is use raw binary codes like zeros and one, which is directly executed by the CPU without a translator. Next we have second generations of languages. Second generation of a language is also known as assembly languages, which use mnemonic symbolic name for OP codes like ADD, etc. Next, we have third generation of languages. Third generation of a languages is a high-level human-readable programming languages, which is machine-independent. That means machine can learn in different hardwares, and it introduced to make coding more sensible, more portable than the previous low-level languages. Next, we have fourth generation of languages. Fourth generation of a language is a high-level domain-specific programming languages, which is closer to the human than the third generation of languages. Like it solve database problem, GUI development, etc. Last, we have fifth generation of languages. Fifth generation of a language is a high-level programming languages which use for artificial intelligence AI, which solve concept-based problem like rather than the traditional algorithm method. So that's all for the session. I hope you understand all the generation carefully. Thank you.